It's true that laptops have always served the purpose of helping us accomplish work wherever we are, but it's just this pandemic that a whole bunch of consumers have the need for a seriously reliable laptop due to the remote working setup that a lot of us are now in. And to address this need, Asus has introduced the ExpertBook series that's loaded with all the stuff you need to reliably accomplish your to-do list while still looking sleek and stylish. Hey guys, Kevin here, you're with the Modern Creatures, and welcome to another video. For this one, I'll show you why the Asus ExpertBook B5 Flip is the work laptop you need. Kicking things off, the ExpertBook B5 Flip boasts a thin and light design that makes it extra easy to carry and bring anywhere. Its lid and under chassis have been crafted out of pure aluminum, while the area around its keyboard is made of magnesium aluminum alloy to effectively reinforce its body as a whole and withstand the beatings of daily usage. With these two characteristics, what you get is a durable and tough laptop that clocks in at just a little over a kilo, so you can just slide it in and out of a small briefcase, for example, with no hassle. In terms of ports for connectivity, it comes with two Thunderbolt 4, a LAN port, HDMI, one USB 3.2 Gen 2, and a 3.5mm audio jack. For its other design features, a built-in array microphone with Cortana support is present, in addition to a fingerprint scanner found on the power button at the side. You also have controls for audio on the opposite edge. It also comes with a backlit chiclet keyboard for easier typing, and when it comes to security, its HD web camera has its own privacy shutter for your added peace of mind. Then you have these special hinges connected to the display so you can flip it around and use it as a tablet. More on that in just a bit. Finally, the ExpertBook B5 Flip comes only in this star black color. I personally like it since it has that professional look, but the details from its matte black finish to its thin form factor make it sharp and stylish. Heading over to its display and multimedia use, it features a 13.3-inch display with full HD resolution. Asus calls this its Nano Edge screen, with the efforts to achieve slim side bezels and make consuming content more immersive. Quick sidebar, this is not the OLED model under the same series, and Asus says that will arrive at a later date. When? I have no idea, but as soon as we find out, we'll let you know, so be sure to subscribe to our Facebook page as well as in our other social media pages. Links below. Moving on, its LCD display is touch-enabled, so you can use your fingers for operation, browsing, and even typing. What's great is that it also supports input from a stylus, so that's another choice of navigation if you prefer it that way. And as mentioned earlier and suggested by its name, the screen flips all the way back, so you can use it as a tablet when you just want to casually browse the internet or quickly check emails, for example. And if you find yourself spending extended time in front of a computer screen, then you'd be glad to know that this one comes with Dove Rhineland certified eye care and lessens the elements that might strain your eyes from prolonged usage. It even has an anti-glare touch panel, so you can clearly see images even under bright lighting conditions. And although maxing out at just full HD resolution, it does work well with its 13-inch display and still produces sharp images with good dynamic range. Colors are vibrant as well, so watching online videos or maybe streaming your favorite movies on Netflix can easily be enjoyed. When it comes to audio, it seems like you only get a pair of standard bottom-firing speakers. They're decent when you just want to watch random videos on YouTube or play music in the background while you work. But if you're looking for something more immersive, you shouldn't expect much from built-in laptop speakers, and instead just go for your own pair of headphones. Now we go to its key internals. This specific variant runs on an Intel Core i5 processor, but there's also an i7 model that the company has released. Together with its i5 CPU, it carries an Intel Iris Xe graphics, 8GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage, upgradable up to 2TB with dual SSD slots. And while it's true that we mostly shoot and edit as content creators for the Modern Creatures, we also do a lot of pre-production, including planning, scheduling, coordinating with others if needed, and a whole lot more. Having the ExpertBook B5 Flip with its Bring Anywhere design, we were able to easily accomplish tasks whether at home or out at a coffee shop. And thanks to the versatility brought by its flipping monitor, I could easily share content to people around me or even while pitching ideas to potential clients. Plus, whenever we need to do quick video edits or revisions, the laptop is powerful enough to handle video editing as long as there's not much heavy graphics involved. During our time, we were able to edit a full HD video with no noticeable lags or crashes, and even managed to squeeze in rendering light motion graphics in between. And when all your work is done, you can play games on the ExpertBook B5 Flip, but don't expect it to run heavy titles like Genshin Impact, for example, as the laptop is not meant for heavy gaming. However, for other lighter games like the untitled Goose Game, the laptop did well. Talking about power, it's equipped with a 33 watt-hour battery with a 65 watt charger. Battery life is decent, and one full charge can last you a working day's worth as long as you keep usage on the modest side. That means more on browsing and checking emails and less on video editing or gaming. Running our standard battery test involving streaming a high-res video with 50% brightness and no volume, the ExpertBook B5 Flip was able to last for around 7 hours, which is not bad but could be better. And as always in our reviews, the Modern Creatures aims to find special features in devices that make them worth having. Their creature feature, and for the Asus ExpertBook B5 Flip, it would have to be its productivity-focused orientation. This means that most of its features, like its durable case, its monitor that flips all the way back, and capable internals, all combine to make mobile working or remote working as smooth and efficient as possible. The Asus ExpertBook B5 Flip starts at 62,895 pesos, and with the features and performance we've seen, this laptop is built to easily transition between a businessman's productivity device, a creative's rig, or even a gamer's source of entertainment for running not-so-heavy games. And that's about it for our Asus ExpertBook B5 Flip review. As always, visit our website and follow us on our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.